Muina Kwaba at the bank assertive metifo. Man penny, Excellency John Dramani Mahama, on Nam the Casamafo, so a honorable Felix of Usukwache at the Ayakrata Chenchibia Tabontin a trusser. Chief Justice get through to Konu, suspended and as much to Akunya because of a for a petition and no petition be a better ayansa. I say now, Sabakaya, Lwy Paul Drops side beto abonten say their secretly or send a petition na lawyer penny lawyer Chachu Chikata niti for send a petition we eti for anya asempetwa na semati for a tre Ghana for na adwumo ne sitin His Excellency John Dramani Mahama akwakopa judges are penny for be eti for pese onom adwuma na so person replace yemame Chief Justice get through to Konu. That's His Excellency Judges Mahama bebre na have a benefit for do do and as some yarepa for any secretary. We purchase Okopana, Juma no to me at 10 year if first of all, who to say no do no as still na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Kokopao Sanko for City Omunko ye a Jumano. Now I say be Pinekuti summer Lwy Paul Drops so sa at the Etudianas Okai, Medamina
1466 of the Constitution, in consultation with the Council of State, with the following composition to inquire into the petitions which have been referred to them. Justice Gabriel Scott Poamine, Justice of the Supreme Court. Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Asiedu, Justice of the Supreme Court. Member Gabriel Poamine is chairman. Mr. Daniel Yao Domlevel, former Auditor General and member of Oral. What's happening? Former Daniel Domlevel, former Auditor General and member of Oral, is also a member of the committee. Major Military Major Flora Bazwanura Dalugo, member Ghana Armed Forces. Professor James Sefa Jiza, Associate Professor, University of Ghana, member, pursuant to Article 146(10) of the Constitution, and in accordance with the advice of the Council of State, the President has, by a warrant, suspended the Chief Justice with immediate effect, pending the outcome of the committee's proceedings. These are the members of the panel. The committee. Today I've been talking to my producer. I say panel and he gets confused. He says, do you mean the committee? Yes, I mean the committee. So forgive me, viewers, if I interchange the panel with the committee, but it's committee. That's the correct nomenclature. Justice Gabriel Scott Poamine is a beautiful, nice man. But as we know, there's a petition that was forwarded to the president about the removal of Gabriel Scott Poamine from the Supreme Court. That petition, the president forwarded it to Saki Tokonu, the Chief Justice. That petition is before the Chief Justice. So Poamine is going to sit on a petition about which a prima facie has been made against the Lord Chief Justice. Poamine was selected by President John Dramani Mahama to sit on the committee. Poamine has a petition against him right now. So we don't know. Do you know, viewers? I don't know. The lawyers, are you there? Please, can you send a text message to Good Evening Ghana Official? Let's look at it. Because Justice Gabriel Poamine has a petition pending against him for his removal from the Supreme Court. It's standing there. I have the petition. It's forwarded to the Lord Chief Justice, forwarded by President Mahama. So President Mahama, weeks ago, wrote to the Lord Chief Justice that, have a look at it, pursuant to Article 146, isn't it? That when there's a petition against a Supreme Court judge, you forward it to the Lord Chief Justice. President Mahama did that in fulfillment of his duties as president. Then President Mahama also nominates the same said judge about whom there's a petition against, which has been forwarded to the Chief Justice for a prima facie determination to be made, which the Chief Justice has forwarded to Gabriel Poamine for his responses, so that she will be able to make the prima facie decision. Now, we wake up this morning and Gabriel Poamine is chairing the committee that is going to listen to the petition against the Lord Chief Justice. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know. Then there's Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Asiedu. Nice man, beautiful man. He's a great lecturer as well. I hear he teaches very well. Now, who is Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Asiedu? Justice Kwame Adibu-Asiedu, who is a member of this committee, is the same said judge who did not show up because he was unwell for the hearing of the matters that were raised in the writ of Asifwa relating to the injunction that was purportedly being prepared by the plaintiffs for the hearing of the court against the process of the Chief Justice's impeachment. So there was a legal action that was filed. You know, you saw the Attorney General in court, you saw Godfrey Dami in court, and Attorney General came and they said that the first day the Attorney General didn't come. So the case was not heard. It was rescheduled. It was rescheduled until last week, Wednesday. Last week, Wednesday, everybody went to court. All the media were there. We were told by the president of the court or by the lawyers that one judge, one of the 5 judges, is not able to sit. And so the case didn't happen. The said judge who was unable to sit is His Lordship, Mr. Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu-Asiedu. He it was who couldn't sit, for which reason the application was not heard, and the application was rescheduled till May 6th. Now, in constituting the panel, President John Dramani Mahama nominates Justice Kwame Adibu-Asiedu to sit. Some of the lawyers are telling me this evening that he may recuse himself because he's already on the panel. The panel will hear the matter on 6th of May. He has been asked to sit for the impeachment of the Chief Justice. There's a clear conflict of sorts. I don't know how you call it, whether it's conflict of interest, conflicts of philosophy, conflict of appointment. I don't know. But there's a kind of conflict of sorts, isn't it? There is. So Adibu-Asiedu has been nominated by the president to sit on the committee, not the panel, the committee that is to look at the Chief Justice's situation to make a determination whether she should remain as Chief Justice or whether she should take a bow and get fired out and get disgraced. This Justice Kwame Adibu-Asiedu, he didn't show up for the case. He was unwell. Now, he's nominated to be on the committee that is to determine whether the Lord Chief Justice has done something wrong or not. Gabriel Pama has a petition pending. Maybe I will give you the details of the petition. I don't know whether I'm able to do that. I'll consult the lawyers during the break. When I consult, they say I should show you. I will show you the petition. As for Daniel Domlevo, he's my man. You know, those of us who come from the south, Sogakopa, Jelukopa, Adudome, Keta, we are brothers. Those of us who come from the south, we are the same. So I don't know whether he's from Jelukopa or Sogakopa, but if you are Jelukopa, you are Sogakopa, you are Adudome, Denu, we are the same. So Domlevo is my brother, yeah. Daniel Yao Domelevo is on the panel. That's understandable. That's understandable. Auditor General, the matters that were raised about auditing, that's really understandable. That's understandable. And then we have armed forces people. I don't like talking about them publicly, so I will not mention the armed forces lady, the major. Major, I salute you. I salute you. Professor James Sefa Jiza. You may not know of her, but yes, she's on the panel as well. This is the matter that is going to occupy our attention tonight on Good Evening Ghana and many other nights to come. So bompaya eya kai Ghana chre unyankopon fagana shenisa. All right. Now let me tell you a story about Iyoko and then I'll come back and Lawyer Bafo is at home. We have been dealing with the matter. We have spoken to his lawyers in extenso, and we are getting to the bizarre conclusion that 1 + 1 is not 2. It's not always 2. Bizarre conclusion that 3 +